Mark, don't you just love being out in nature, you know, where you can just kind of like move your body around and get like the blood flowing, you know, so much better than just sulking, at least in my opinion. Well, while I'm getting the blood flowing, loosening everything up, be sure to watch the newest episode of Mark's the Spot. You know, like I've been saying the whole time. Maybe you could say it this time, or I'll just keep going for you. Yeah, I'll do that. I think I'll do this for you. And as always, we'll tell them to be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It's okay. You can do it the next time.